Okay, this is R410A Freon. Actually, everything's working in the house. You got air blowing in the house, condensers working. You should have actually warm air coming out of here. You got cool air. Compressor is running. This pipe usually should get a little sweat back or condensation. It's about, let's say, 75 degrees over here. So this is cool, this is cool. It's low on Freon. You got 50 on the suction and 200 on the discharge. Okay, so we're going to gas this unit up. Okay, I'm going to show you all how to gas it up, this unit. If you notice, the discharge will go up slowly with the suction, and if you notice, the compressor just made a different noise now. So if you notice, it just got some condensation there, a little bit there. Okay, so we're at around 75 and 250. The pressures on this one should be at around 125 and 325, right around there on a day like today. So if you notice, both sides are moving up a little bit. Okay, so we're at about, let's say, 90 and 245. This is a 410 4-ton unit. If you notice, now we're at almost 250. Alright, we're getting close. I mean, really the goal on this particular type of unit, okay, you want to get at least 125 on the suction. If you get about 250, it's still okay. Just depends how efficient the unit is and how hot it is. But once we get it to about 125, the discharge should be a little bit higher. I could live with the discharge at 250. Every unit's a little different, so you're going to have different pressures, right? Looking good, not too bad. I could live with these pressures. It might just need another maybe quarter pound of Freon and we should be done okay with these pressures. Let it run for about maybe 2 minutes and I'll see how this thing's running. Top has heat now up on top. Also, the pressures on the unit will depend on how efficient your unit is. If it's a 10 Seer, 12 Seer, 14 Seer, the Seer rating will also make a big difference on these discharge pressures. And also too, if the coils are clean or dirty. If the coils are dirty, you're going to have a lot higher pressures. If the coils are clean like this one, your pressures are gonna be in this range. Your discharge is still going up a little bit with some Freon, so there might be a little bit of room left to add some more Freon. When your discharge pressure stops moving, that's a definitely sign when you don't want to put no more Freon in there. Now, right now it's about 75 degrees outside. You really don't want to go that much higher, because once it hits, let's say we get to about 95 degrees or 100 degrees over here, it's going to shoot up to about 400 pounds pressure on there. So this is a safe pressure on a cool day.